We all have the same 24 hours, but some of us manage to be more productive than others. Since we can't add more hours, let's make the most of the ones we have. So what can we actually do? Number 1. Not all tasks are created equal. Identify what's important and what's urgent. Use a tool like the Eisenhower Box to help you categorize tasks into these segments. It basically works like this. The Eisenhower Box is a time management tool used to prioritize tasks by urgency and importance. The box is divided into 4 quadrants. Urgent and important, these are tasks that need to be dealt with immediately. They're both urgent and important. This could include crises, deadlines, and problems. Important, but not urgent, these tasks are important but don't require your immediate attention. Your long-term strategies, planning, and development tasks usually fall under this category. Spending more time in this quadrant can help reduce the tasks in quadrant I. Not urgent and not important, these tasks are neither urgent nor important. They don't contribute to your goals or outcomes. Activities in this area could be considered time wasters. These could include irrelevant emails, certain leisure activities, or time spent aimlessly browsing the internet. Urgent, but not important, these tasks are urgent but not necessarily important. They demand your immediate attention, but once completed, have little or no lasting value. Examples could be some emails, calls, meetings, or interruptions. Number 2. Say goodbye to multitasking. It might sound counterintuitive, but studies show that switching between tasks can reduce productivity by up to 40%. Stick to one task at a time and finish it before moving to the next. Number 3. Pomodoro technique. Choose one task. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Give it your undivided attention. After 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. This keeps your mind fresh and prevents burnout. Number 4. Eliminate distractions. Create an environment that minimizes these distractions. Turn phone silent mode. Log out social media. Shut down laptop if not using for work. Close the door of the room. No headphones. Number 5. Take care of yourself. No time management technique will be effective if you're exhausted or stressed. Get enough sleep. Eat healthily. Relax or meditate. Exercise. Effective time management is a journey. It's about experimenting with different strategies and finding out what works best for you. Remember, time management isn't about stuffing as many tasks into your day as possible. It's about simplifying how you work, getting things done faster, and having more time to spend on things that matter to you. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Until next time, make every moment count.